Hi everyone, I'm Johnson from Nine Chip Electron. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our Forklift AI Anti-Collision System, a cutting-edge solution designed to improve safety and efficiency in your warehouse or industrial environment. Let me walk you through this system in two parts. First, I'll introduce each component of the system. Then, I'll explain what makes our solution stand out from others on the market. Our Forklift AI Anti-Collision System is a complete package that includes Control Hub. It is the brain of the system. Monitor real-time display for the driver. Sunshade Protector enhances screen visibility in bright light. Monitor holder, secure mounting for easy viewing. Seatbelt warning device ensures the driver wears the seatbelt. Voltage drop converter regulates power for system stability. AI cameras includes a blind spot detection camera and a driver behavior monitoring camera. Wireless speed sensor monitors, forklift speed accurately, main controller. Gasoline valve controller adds a layer of safety by controlling fuel flow. Coordinates system functions, visible and audible alarm, alerts both driver and nearby personnel. All required wiring, complete and easy to install. Why our system excels others. Here's why our solution excels in the market. Wider field of view. While most systems only offer a 120-degree display, ours provides a 180-degree ultra-wide view for enhanced safety, unmatched accuracy. Our AI Control Hub offers 100% accurate pedestrians identification, intelligent pedestrian detection. The blind spot camera automatically identifies pedestrians, reducing the risk of collisions. Driver monitoring. Our system includes a camera that monitors driver behavior in real time. Forklift access control. Only authorized personnel can operate the forklift. Improving security and accountability. Don't dash in seatbelt alert. Promotes driver safety with instant seatbelt warnings. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to know more or see a live demonstration, feel free to reach out. At Nine Chip Electron, we're committed to bringing intelligent safety to every forklift operation.